Creating a pair of shoes entirely from an old denim dress. Step 1. Prepare your pattern. Step 2. Cut out your fabric pieces. Step 3. Prepare the upper pieces. Step 4. Assemble the outer upper. Step 5. Create the inner lining. Step 6. Join the outer and inner uppers. Step 7. Prepare the inner sole. Step 8. Attach the denim sole layers to the upper. Step 9. Attach the inner sole. Step 10. Attach the outer sole. Step 11. Finishing touches. Enjoy your unique, upcycled denim shoes. Remember that this is a basic guide, and you can adapt the pattern and techniques to create different styles. Click the link in description to read full tutorial.